Good evening. I'm your host, Dylan.
And I'm Kinley.
And you're watching the CMS Broadcast. It's Thursday, January 9th.
The 9th day of the new year.
Woohoo!
Since we missed school on Monday, there will be school on Friday this week for the 10th.
Oh man, we have school on Friday?
Why are you complaining to me? I'm not the one that made us have school.
Yeah, I guess, but still not my favorite.
Well, I happen to like school.
How?
Okay, only the bit where I get to see my friends.
Yeah, I guess there's that, but still.
Whatever. Anyways, we're getting off topic.
Oh yeah, you want to hear the fun fact of the week?
Sure.
Did you know that there's a fear called allodoxophobia? That's the fear of other people's opinions.
I think you might have that.
Yeah, whatever.
It's the truth.
More like an assumption.
Sure, anyways. Tomorrow on the lunch menu is a chicken quesadilla.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Finally, something we agree on.
Yeah. Speaking of lunch, be sure to sign up for the annual CMS Air Hockey Tournament. Games begin next Monday during lunch.
Oh yeah, I need to sign up for that still.
Me too. Also, this is just a reminder to get to class on time with all of your needed materials.
But then what's the point if the competition is already over?
To not get lunch detention?
Fair enough. But wait, don't we have another competition?
I was just getting to that.
Oops, sorry. Carry on.
Speaking of the competition, congratulations to the 6th graders for winning the first school-wide competition. They enjoyed ice cream sundaes and free time outside. The 7th and 8th graders will have their opportunity to avenge this defeat. The next school-wide competition begins today and will end Wednesday, January 29th.
I bet we're going to win again.
Well, I think the 7th grade are going to win.
Anywho, want to hear the character of the week?
Sure.
Drum roll, please. Tom!
Tom who?
The cat from Tom and Jerry.
Oh, the poor gray cat that can't catch a mouse for the life of him?
Yep, exactly that.
Jerry is better in my opinion.
Well, I think Tom is.
Is not.
Is too.
Is not.
Is too.
Is not.
Is whatever. I'm not arguing with you anymore.
Well, good, because I didn't want to argue either.
Hey, I know what will lighten up the mood.
What?
The joke of the week.
Oh boy, here we go.
Hush and listen to my joke.
Okay, whatever you say.
Why did the turkey join the band?
Why?
So he could use his drumsticks.
Okay, that one was pretty funny.
I know, right?
Speaking of fun, it's National Apricot Day today.
And National Electricity Day.
Oh man, it didn't work.
What the?
Anyways, please remove all spirit posters from your lockers.
Thank you for your cooperation.
And that's all from the CMS Broadcast.
Bye!
Opportunity to meet Apple. Opportunity to meet Apple. Opportunity to meet Apple.
Opportunity to meet Apple. Oh yeah, you want to hear the fun fact of the week?
Sure.
Sure. Roll.